Hey guys, welcome to Entrepreneur Junior. We're so happy you're here with us today, and we're excited to share our new 5-week program. It's called the Biz Builder Kit. It's for young kids who would like to learn about entrepreneurship and what that entails, how it works, and what's all involved with it. As young parents and now a little more mature parents, we've always owned our own businesses, and we've loved the opportunity to share that with our kids. They've learned the importance of hard work and success, and even the importance of failure. As much as it hurts, it's necessary, and it's just part of the game. But your kids will love our Biz Builder Kit. It's less than $30, just a one-time payment. You'll have a daily syllabus that will include family activities and discussions, over 40 downloadable worksheets to provide more of a hands-on experience. They'll learn brainstorming, goal setting, market research, business planning, and they will just have so much fun, just as our kids have. Our goal is to allow kids to know that their goals, their passions, their talents, those are business opportunities. And this program will help your child be confident in that they can have their own business no matter what age they are. So we look forward to seeing you today. Again, it's less than $30, just a one-time payment for all of this experience. Thank you guys, and good luck, young entrepreneurs.